Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we explore how to design multi-layer masking workflows. Begin by creating a base mask using Select and Mask with Mask Overlay enabled. Apply the mask as a layer mask and duplicate layers as needed. Refine each mask separately to control depth and focus. Zoom in to ensure clean overlaps and smooth transitions. Name layers clearly to stay organized. Preview the composition to check balance. Multi-layer workflows increase creative control, so experiment with complex